Wow, it's still so dark. But today we're gonna go somewhere. So we just woke up and got up early. Okay, here we go.
Hi guys!
This is National Squad. We're ready.
Where are you from?
You can guess.
No great stories does it. Here's the proof. The city slept, but we were chasing the sea. Rose empty. My eyes full of was coming. Then the sky cracked open. The sea was waiting.
So finally we arrived at the port. Okay.
Every step closer to the boat felt like stepping into a dream. One by one, we crossed the line between land and water. Salt in the air, wind in our faces. This was the kind of silence we craved. Wild, blue, and free. We reached the Pahawang. No filters needed, just nature, raw and endless. Cameras out, laughter louder. This was our red carpet moment.
Tolong tetenya.
They called it Ghost Bay, but there was nothing haunting here, only beauty. Together, we made this day ours, wild, spontaneously, and real. Goodbye goes the bay. Next stop, somewhere even deeper. Then we dove into another world, one where silence spoke in bubbles and fins. Follow my eyes, right there, the little guy himself, Nemo, and for a moment, we were kids again. The sun was fading, but we were not. We waved, not goodbye, but see you again. It was an island without people to share it with, or a day without stories to tell. We came back changed, salty, sunburned, smiling.
What an amazing day. Physically damaged, sunburned, tiredness, but mentally satisfied. I would never say the date like this is too much. So what's the next story? Let's see.